Today we are going to make a super fun Christmas exploding box. When you open it up, all the fun and awesomeness just explodes out everywhere. It is totally amazing and you will love giving this as a gift. Hi y'all, welcome to Daily Dose of DIY. My name is Chris and we are on day 14, the final day of our Christmas craft kickoff event. Thank you so much for joining me for this event. I truly appreciate it. And what that means for you is for the next 24 hours, you can get this amazing exploding Christmas box SVG for free. Just head to dailydoseofdiy.com/Christmas22. Scroll down to day 14, enter in your first name and email address, click send my SVG, and I'll be sure to email it to you right away. You'll also have the option to upgrade to the Instant Access Pass, which gives you instant access to all 14 projects, even the ones you may have missed, over 30 SVG files, and the printable PDF instructions. So be sure to check out that deal. Let's head over and see the supplies we'll need to make this exploding box, which is really basic, y'all. It's not much. To make the exploding box, you are going to need 12 by 12 cardstock. This is all 65 pound. You can choose whatever colors you want. I did the SVG in white, red, green, and blue. So going by that, you'll need 1 white, 3 green, 2 red, and the blue I'm actually going to change to another shade of green. So for stuff cut in that color, you'll just need 1 sheet. And then I'm using 2, I might just use 1. I'm going to use my tape glue and quick dry tacky glue. We might just use the tape glue though. We'll see. Let's head into Design Space and take a look at the SVG. I'm going to go to the left menu and click Upload. And then I already have the SVG in here, so I'm going to select it and then add to Canvas. If you need help uploading and downloading SVGs, I will have a tutorial in the description for you, or you can reach out to me. We'll help you get to this point. So from here, I'm just going to reduce the size a little bit so we can see the whole thing. Design Space kind of brought it in a little wonky and out of order. There's usually things you can do to fix this, but I've tried everything and I don't know why. It's just a little wonky, but that's okay. There's actually nothing you need to do here, no change lines to score or anything. I have everything perforated for you. It will work on any machine. So from here, just click the Make It button. On the mat screen, I did notice one thing, and that is on mat 2, they have this little rectangle. He will easily fit on mat 1. So I'm going to move him, select the first mat, click Confirm. And then of course they move him, they put him up at the top, but we'll drag him down here where there's some space. And I'm just gonna tilt him over on his side and scooch him over. See, he fits there perfectly. The rest of the mats are okay. I didn't notice anything that would need to move. So we're gonna leave mat 1 selected, click the Continue button. If you have a Cricut Explorer, set your dial to cardstock. I'm going to select cardstock off of my favorites. Of course, if you don't have it favorited, browse all materials and search for cardstock and then select it from the list. Let's now move over and get our mat loaded. White is our color that is up first. So I'm just going to line it up in the corner and down the sides. I am using my green mat. It's well worn. We are on day 14. I can't believe it's gone so fast, but yeah, this mat has got some good use. If your mat is new and super sticky, you probably want to use the light blue mat, which is made for cardstock. We'll just get this going. I'm going to go ahead and cut everything, and then we'll come back and see how to put it together. Okay, everything is now cut, so I'm just going to take a few minutes and sort out all of my pieces and get them in order. The bow has a tiny, tiny little strip that goes with it, so I'm going to put my bow pieces together. Now that everything is sorted, I'm going to start with the base. On the trees, there's a perforation down them, and you're actually going to fold them in they fold in. So you need to fold these the opposite way that you're going to fold everything else. So they will fold, so the crease goes towards the inside. And once those are folded, then you'll fold the squares. Now we can add the fun stuff. There are scalloped cards to go on each of the squares. I'm going to glue those down. For the tops of these squares, I did include little embellishments you can glue on there. This is also a great place to put pictures if you would like to add pictures. There are little envelopes too with cards. Let's see which one's the right size. Yep, that one matches that one. So you can write, you can put a picture on here, or you can write a little message. So that completes this layer. There are 2 layers. The next layer looks like this. It is green. So the first thing we're going to do is glue the base and attach the base square to here. That looks pretty good, and this is the same thing. There's scalloped cards and different embellishments you can add, or you can add your own pictures and or personal touches. There's also a stocking you can put here. I seem to have lost mine that quick. Don't know how that happens other than hot mess around here all the time. Now we're going to flip it over, and you will have strips. 2 of the strips are longer and they're perforated. Those are for the top, but these will run down each side. Now we're ready to put together the inside box and build our box top. This is the inside box. Fold in all the tabs and then glue the tabs and glue them to the opposite sides. Not the opposite sides, the side close to it. So there is the inside box. Now we're ready to build the top for that. Again, fold in all the sides. Add glue to these tabs and glue it together. This is the lid for the green box. And he will sit right in there. So in this box, you can add all sorts of candy, a fun little gift, gift cards, cash, whatever. It will be a nice surprise gift inside your exploding box. Now, this is the lid to our exploding box. We will put him together the same way. These strips are to decorate the top of the box. There are perforations marked on there for them to go over the side. So I'm just going to glue one side and then place it on the box. Finally, we have the bow for the top. These fold in so you can loop it around your finger, kind of get it curled up. And then we're going to glue these little tabs to the center here. This little guy wraps around the center, so I'm going to put a strip of glue down him. And then glue to the ribbon part. The bow. And we'll glue the whole thing to the top of the box. That is our cute box top. Now we are going to squish all this together into a fun explosion box. So fill your box up with candy or your gift before you do this. I didn't buy any candy to put in there. I've already bought a lot of candy for these crafts for this series, and I don't eat candy, so. But then I get to give it all away. Start with folding up the green sides. And I grabbed the red with it. These trees we pre-folded in. This is where it gets hard. You need like 10 hands. Maybe we'll start with the trees. They will lay down here, and this will fold up. So we need to hold this side while we fold in these trees. There they go. That is how our box is looking. Now we're going to hold it all together while we get the lid and put it on. It's usually easy to put two corners on and just kind of work your way around it. Not too shabby. So you can give this as a gift. It's a cute little box, and then when they open it, it explodes to all this funness. You have cute messages you can leave. You can put gift cards on here. You can put pictures in here. It is a lot of fun, and of course, open up for whatever surprise you want to put inside. Thank you so much for making this exploding box with me today. I hope all the recipients you give it to love it as much as I love making it. Be sure to get your free SVG file free for the next 24 hours at dailydoseofdiy.com/Christmas22. I can't believe we're on the last day, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me for this series. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe as we have more fun Cricut crafts and tutorials coming your way. God bless.